Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Jackman Road Elementary School in Temperance, Michigan, home of the Kicking Mules and part of the Bedford Public School District. I'm in one of the hallways outside the multi-purpose room or the gymnasium where we held two assemblies for all the grades, Y5 through 5. And the main focus for today was compassion. The sub-theme was one life at a time. What I love in all the hallways, besides the kindness posters and the respect signs that you see up and down, pretty much everywhere in the building, they have a motto here that says, making a difference, one child at a time. And really that tied into what we spoke about through the presentations today, where we were trying to, see the possibility of affecting one life at a time, right? Of course, they stand for being respectful, being responsible, being safe. You also see signs like this throughout the entire school. But when we're talking about compassion, right, it's having a heart for someone else in need, but then taking the action behind it, right? It's one thing to say, I want to be kind, I want to be nice. It's another thing to actually go and do something about it, right? And so the students really got that today, and they understood that sometimes even one act of kindness or compassion requires very, very little effort, but can have a huge, immense impact, right? Something that might be able to stay on someone's heart forever, for the rest of their lives. When you do something kind for someone else, it doesn't just help that person, it also makes you feel good too. A lot of students share with me after the assemblies today how, even back in kindergarten or second grade or fourth grade, that they saw someone getting bullied, maybe because they were a student with special needs, or for whatever reason, they were the new person at school and they stood up for that individual, or they had someone else stand up for them. And I said, look, if you have been given that gift, now you can go out and try to find someone else that might need that support, right? Because so many students that I interact with all across this country, sometimes they forget how important they are, right? And they need to be included. Even one best friend is gold, right? So that also ties into the principle that I bring up in every talk because it's so important to me. That's the fact that we're all true miracles, right? Like the lines that I trace on my hand for every session that I give, we all have with the lines on our hand the letter M, right? On our palms. Sometimes a faint line connects it, one on each hand, and that M stands for miracle. Like the front of my shirt, the one that I wore today as well, but upside down W stands for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that concept, now it's up to us to go and shine that light. Like we talked about with the glow sticks today, sometimes we have to break before our true purpose comes into play. Sometimes we do hurt. Sometimes we've had painful things even at a young age, but we can, turn those opportunities into ways that don't just make us stronger, but maybe can assist someone else that's going through the same thing, right? And of course, it's not easy to do. Even if we're broken, we know that we're still okay too. But eventually we have the ultimate decision where we can be a builder or a wrecker, right? We can either tear down, which can take very little time, or we can build up. And sometimes that takes even longer. But we know that even one mean word, one mean action can cause someone to feel a certain way. And of course, we want to make sure it's a positive approach that we take with whatever individual that we interact with, whatever group of people, and know that we can keep showing compassion each and every moment, each and every day, to make this world a better place, to eventually change this world. So thanks for touching my heart. It was great to see you all again. Until next time, have a great upcoming spring break, a great rest of this school year. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.